It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 17th of November. I'm Michael Groff. Near record high temperatures will continue for the next few days here in the valley, but a gradual cooling trend will come in by the weekend and next week. Readings getting closer to seasonal averages as we approach Thanksgiving. What about some rain? We need it desperately. Are we going to get it anytime soon? We'll talk about that and everything else going on in the weather world as well as we dive in. First, here's the almanac from yesterday, and 2020 just continues to do what it does best weather-wise, and that's shatter heat records. 92 degrees was the afternoon high. We put that in the tan color there because not only was that a daily record, but that is also the latest in the season we've ever had a high temperature of 90 plus. The morning low, not bad at 54. The normal high is 75, the normal low 52. And outside now here just before 7 o'clock, a few high clouds out there this morning to greet us. Otherwise, we are mostly clear. Temperature at Sky Harbor is 63 degrees, a warm start. Dew points at 25, relative humidity 23%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, again, these are numbers that we would typically see in early to mid-October as opposed to mid-November. Mostly in the 50s and 60s, even a couple of spots around 70 this morning. Wow. The upper air look shows you why it is so warm here across the southwest. High pressure is in control. It's not going anywhere for a while. You see that trough to the west, but that is mostly going to pass harmlessly well to the north of Arizona. We also have a trough over the northeast. Here's the watch warning map. Check it out. Winter weather issues for the Sierra and some wind as well up in the Pacific Northwest and just offshore. Rather turbulent weather there with that big trough. But most of the country is actually pretty quiet right now. The convective outlook, very quiet also. No severe weather, hardly any thunder, just a little bit over South Florida and up along the Pacific Northwest coast. And the big story in the weather world continues to be Hurricane Iota. And you can see the satellite evolution of this. It rapidly intensified as it approached the coast of Nicaragua. It came ashore last night as a very powerful Category 4, top winds of 155 miles per hour at the time of landfall. The other thing of note here, this came in about 30 miles or less than 30 miles away from where Eta came ashore just 13 days ago. Obviously, this has just devastated much of Central America. Nicaragua, Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador will feel the effects of this system as well. But it is weakening. That's the good news. Top winds now down to 85 miles per hour, and this will fizzle out as it crosses over into the East Pacific over the next few days. And I even hate to bring this up, but the National Hurricane Center is watching another area of disturbed weather that shows a 40% chance of development over the next 5 days of developing into yet another tropical cyclone. If this occurs, we just continue moving through that Greek alphabet. This would be called Kappa. And bringing it back to our neck of the woods here, precipitation valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley and basically nothing statewide. This dry weather pattern just rolls on. We'll detail it as we dive into modeling. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And we've got a big trough along the Pacific Northwest coast, a trough in the northeast, a sprawling ridge in the middle. And that means for us down at the surface, sunny skies and another toasty one today. Highs upper 80s to near 90. So we're looking at another record breaker in spots. Tonight, the sky is mostly clear. Overnight lows generally in the 50s to low 60s. And then tomorrow, more of the same. Sunny, very warm, highs mid and upper 80s. On Thursday, temperatures might back off just a little bit. Highs mid 80s, but the sky remains mostly sunny. A very weak wave comes in on Friday. And that should increase the amount of high clouds around here, enough to call it partly sunny. High temperatures low to mid-80s, but no precipitation with this feature as it moves on by. And then the weekend looks pretty nice. Temperatures coming down a little bit further as those heights relax just a bit more. Highs mid and upper 70s for both Saturday and Sunday with just occasional high clouds. Here's Monday. Another wave is approaching us, but this one doesn't look to have any precipitation in our area. Maybe a passing shower in northern Arizona. That's about the most we could hope for out of this, as models continue to trend this weaker. But again, the trend will be to lower temperatures slightly further. Highs low to mid-70s. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday the 24th. A shortwave trough over Texas. A flat ridge building in here, and that looks fairly dry and mild. And looking out toward 10 days, this is Thursday the 26th. That's Thanksgiving Day. A weak trough coming through here, and that would bring in maybe some clouds, but it doesn't look like at this point any sensible weather around here other than that. Slightly cooler temperatures, readings pretty close to seasonal averages. Looking at rainfall for the next couple of weeks off of the European ensemble, forget it. The ensemble mean is only around 1/100th of an inch or so. Most members show absolutely nothing. And temperatures off the national blend of models, yeah, this is pretty toasty for mid-November, folks. Upper 80s today, tomorrow. A gradual cooling trend as we head toward the weekend and next week. And overnight lows will stay on the mild side as well. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. It is always appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool and hydrated out there, and have yourselves a wonderful Tuesday.